In the past 2 months, this faceless YouTube channel has earned over $3.6 thousand just by uploading simple animated Bible story videos. What's even crazier, it started only 8 or 5 months ago. And get this, their second video alone has racked up over 1.1 million views. Incredible, right? In this video, I'm going to reveal exactly how you can launch your own YouTube automation channel and generate income without hiring a single employee. I've discovered a few powerful AI tools that can automate the entire process for you. To prove it, check out this quick clip of a video I created in just 10 minutes.
At Joshua's command, after the 7th lap, the priests were to blow their trumpets, and all the people were to shout as loud as they could. Joshua and the Israelites did exactly as God instructed. The people of Jericho were watching as the Israelites circled their city once a day, quietly except for the sound of the trumpets.
So how can you create such engaging animated Bible stories? You can start your own animation channel in any niche. I'll guide you through each step of the process, ensuring your success. And here's the kicker, the thumbnails for these videos are incredibly eye-catching. Stick around till the end, and I'll share a secret AI tool that can help you design these stunning thumbnails effortlessly. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. First, you need to go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a short story from the Bible. Use the following prompt: generate a short story from the Bible. ChatGPT will provide you with a short story based on the prompt. You will find all the prompts in the description below. Next, you need to craft prompts for each stage of the video. These prompts will guide the AI video generator to create the visuals for your story. After crafting the prompts, use them to generate images with the AI video generator. Each prompt should correspond to a specific part of the story. So the prompt is ready. First, you need to copy the first prompt. After copying the first prompt, go to the Leonardo AI website. There is another website from which we can generate videos, but I will tell you about that at the end. First, log into Google and sign up on Leonardo AI. After signing up, you will see an interface like this. Select your image. Choose the image you want to use. Select your YouTube ratio. Choose the ratio that fits YouTube. Select your model. Choose the 3D animation model. Click on the Generate button to start creating your image. You need to generate 2 images. If the result is not good, you can generate it again until you are satisfied. Once the result is amazing, paste the next prompt and click on the Generate button again. Continue this process for all the prompts. First, copy and paste all the prompts to generation images and download. Next, visit this website. Once there, sign up and log in. After logging in, you will get an interface that allows you to create amazing videos. You can also make image-to-video conversions. After signing up, you will see an interface that lets you create incredible animation videos. You can generate videos directly from the prompts you copied from ChatGPT. If the direct video generation is not as amazing as you want, we will convert the images into videos. I will go to ChatGPT and copy-paste and show you the video. If the video is not good, we will convert the images into a video, so you need to come home. After coming home, you have to click on Image to Video. After clicking on Image to Video, you have to upload the photo you generated from Leonardo AI and download it. After downloading, you have to upload the photo here. This kind of interface will show up in front of you, so you have to brush it and add motion. You can give a video or generate it from AI. To write a prompt, you can use ChatGPT. Paste the prompt you use to generate the image on this website. After pasting, you have to click on the Generate button. You don't need to change everything here. Just enable HD quality and click on the Generate button. After some time, your video will be ready. It takes a bit of time, but the result will be amazing. So please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now our video is ready. Check out the result. It's fantastic. Download your video now. Next, you need to upload your next image. Upload your images step by step and use the same chat prompt. Paste the prompt and your video will be ready. You can then download it completely. This AI tool is completely free. Keep generating and downloading your videos by pasting the prompts. I quickly converted all my images into motion videos and downloaded them. You should do the same. The next step is the voiceover. For the voiceover, come to ChatGPT. Tell it that you have generated the story and write it in a paragraph. It'll give you a complete story in paragraph form, which we will use for the voiceover. To generate the voiceover, we will use Clipchamp, a free software. Just copy your script and you'll go to the Clipchamp website and sign up. After signing up, you'll see an interface where you can create a new video or an AI video. Click on Try Text-to-Speech. You'll see a new interface. Here you can choose your language and select a voice, either male or female. Review all the voices available and choose one that you like. These voices are free to use. Once you've chosen a voice, copy your script and paste it into the provided box. You can also preview the voice by clicking the preview button. After you're satisfied with the preview, click the save button. Your voiceover will be generated and saved. You can preview it again if you like. If you need to export the audio, go to the top corner of the interface and click on the export button. Your audio will start getting ready and you can download it once it's prepared. First, you will use CapCut for video editing. This is free software that you can use on your mobile phone or desktop. You can download it from CapCut.com. After installing CapCut, you will get an interface where you need to click on the Import button. Here, you will upload all your audio and video files that you have downloaded, including voiceovers and images. Select all your images and click on Open. This will import all your selected images and videos. Once the import is complete, the first step is to select your voiceover. Right-click on the voiceover and select Extract Audio, then delete the video file. This will leave you with only the audio from your voiceover. Next, add the motion videos. After adding the motion videos, you need to adjust the voiceover. To make the video more engaging, remove any silent parts from the voiceover. This tool allows you to easily remove all silent sections, ensuring your video flows smoothly. Now it's time to arrange your images and videos. Place them in the desired order, aligning them with the voiceover. Since the video editing process can be lengthy, I've provided a brief overview. Follow these steps and you'll be able to create a polished, engaging video. To move your watermark, follow these steps. First, insert your images and videos. If the video works, you can add your images. To animate, I'll guide you step by step. Start by importing an image. Go to the Effects section and apply the desired video effects. If the effect doesn't look good, convert it to animation by clicking on Export, choosing Animation, and adjusting your animation settings. Go to Combo and add the animation. Next, drag and drop your video onto the timeline. Listen to your voiceover and adjust your images and video to match the voiceover step by step. You can insert animations into your images to make the video more engaging. To make your video smoother and more engaging, go to the Transitions section and apply the best transitions you find. For adding music, search for music and download it without copyright issues. Import the downloaded music into CapCut by clicking on the Import button and selecting the music file. Drag and drop the music onto the timeline and adjust the audio volume. Set the basic volume to -20 and balance the music volume with your video's voiceover. To generate captions, go to the top right corner and click on the Text button. Select Auto Caption, choose the language, and click the Generate button to create captions automatically. Choose a caption template that looks good and suits your video, then adjust the font and style in the basic settings. Finally, click on the Export button and export the video in high quality. If you want to create a thumbnail with AI, click on the right side of the video to access the AI camera and follow the instructions to create a thumbnail in 5 minutes.